What? Well, for my first video, well, I like to share this with you guys. The story with this box. I found it in our storage just a few days ago. And look what I found. It's an old box of an Armscore air pistol which contains the gun. Well, to tell you frankly, I didn't know this gun was there at the storage. And maybe my dad, maybe he bought it somewhere and put it in storage. Well, some of my dad's guns, well, I know where they are, but this one is a bit of a surprise for me. And remember, look at the box, it's really old. Yeah, even the original sticker where the box was sealed with is here, still here. The name of my dad, because when he purchased this, I think his name was really tagged with, it's written in the box. Serial number of the gun, and this gun is made in the Philippines by Arms Corporation, which is licensed by Squire Bingham. Yeah, okay, enough with the box. I'll just open this. We'll open this so you can see what the gun looks like. Yes. Well, you still have the original inspection certificate, which is dated 1999 and assembled by I think it's Tolo, I think, the T Tango Oscar Lima Oscar. That's a gunsmith from Armscore. The model number's 104, I think. Expected January 7, 1999. And serial numbers there. And cited by Manong. See that? I could remember Manong, they called that Manong or something. Well, Manong or Mariano. Yeah, I don't know. That's mean the gun is sighted. Sabihin, they've been fired for accuracy. They do that in Armscore. Maybe something like for their customers. Well, I really like the gun. Maybe my dad liked this gun. See this? It's really in pristine condition. Yes. Yeah, see that? I hope you can see the markings. This is the only markings. It's Armscore air pistol, manufactured by Arms Corporation of the Philippines. That's the only markings beside the serial number. It's really the wood. This is wood. This is plastic. And this is all steel. This is steel. This is, I think this is aluminum, hard aluminum. See the gun? It kind of reminds me the way it's bigger than a 1911. See? Okay. And it is in styrofoam. This is styrofoam. Yeah. Casing. Nowadays, guns are being packed in plastic cases. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. From the year 1999, the price of this gun in Philippine money is 3,370 pesos. Imagine that. 3,000. How much is this? I don't know if they manufacture still this kind of pistol here in the Philippines. I can only see air rifles manufactured here. And it kind of reminds me of a old Crossman pistol, which is kind of like this. It really looks like this. Maybe they, I don't know if they copied it. You guys give me some inputs, or how, what a Crossman pistol looks like. Yeah, it's kind of something like this, because of, look, there's container here, two containers of this for the pel gun, but this one has a chamber for CO2 tank. Yes, yeah, this is the tank. Actually, this is the tank, and I can't find the original tank for this. Maybe it's been lost. Well, besides being in pristine condition, the box is totally being wetted by the weather. It is wrapped. It was wrapped in plastic. Yes, this gun is really wrapped in plastic, and it's really oiled. Maybe just to preserve the finish, even the wood. See that? It's really, the wood is really nice to look at. No scratches. That means this gun hasn't been fired or hasn't been used. Maybe from practice from time to time, but I don't know. Haven't seen this gun. Well, I just share this to you. This is even my first video of this gun, and even the first video I'm going to make. Well, here's the gun manufacturer, and I hope I can read the, maybe some of you guys know this person. Assembled by Tolo, I don't know, and cited by, well, I don't know, Manzano. Sorry, the name, the guy who cited this gun is Manzano. That was in January 7, 1999. A little bit of history. Well, that's it. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the gun. Well, maybe next time I'll try to shoot it. If it still fires, maybe I'll just go to the factory itself and let them check the gun. Well, that's it from now. Well, enjoy the hobby. Stay safe and happy. Enjoy your hobby. Pistol collecting, like us, this is the air pistol. Yeah, okay, that's it.